I think it's a bit too late to have a big storm like that, but you know, it's beautiful. So that's the point.
It's not a snowstorm. It's only snow. Because when I was young, okay, a snowstorm you didn't see in 2 feet. But this is only snow. I love the snow, I love winter. This is my day. It's a great day for walking.
Non, je dirais que non. Non, moi, ça me dérange pas du tout. Même on voit que ça dérange finalement pas trop les gens. On s'aperçoit que finalement les gens sont très habitués à se déplacer dans de telles conditions. C'est pas la même chose qu'en France.
Well, it has been the longest winter for me for a long time because I just moved back to Canada from France. You know what? I actually really like it. I'm just enjoying the snow. Hi, Chloe? And you like it too? Yeah.